Yo, what's going on, guys? So today first time on a liter. There's a fucking, what is that? What the fuck? Brighton Beach. Take care, bro. Brighton Beach.
Yeah, just Brighton.
Brighton Beach.
Brighton Beach?
Beach. It's at the beach. Alright, man them. Joe from Flip and Dip. R1 problems, innit? His battery decided to die and not start. So he's gonna go home, bro. He ain't risking it to go Brighton. He ain't coming to the thing, bro. We're bare late. I don't even know if there's gonna be anyone thereafter. We're gonna shoot to the Brighton burn up now. Hopefully that Ghost R7 it's still got its stand there. Also, my DJI mic is currently broken. I had the mic too, and for whatever reason it records, but when you open the file it's like silent. So I emailed them and they said yeah, send it back, so I gotta do that. But for now I literally just put on the media mod and I plugged the microphone into the media mod instead. So the sound, oh, it looks like it's gonna rain. Yo, we like, this day has been like fucked already. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Not crazy, not crazy, but let's go. No, let's go. It's gonna, look at the sky. I hate using this media mod as well because, bro, it's so bulky and big, and I'm on the Hero 8, so I can't even use ND filters right now. For me to use the ND filter, this guy loves it. Come on! Everyone loves bikes, man. Fucking hell, that was loud. The best content is when you're at the back, but sometimes I hate being at the back, I can't lie. Yo, we tried everything to try and start Joe's R1, bro. Tried bump start it, was not starting. I tried to like roll it down the hill, start it in second gear, was not starting. Man, I'm feeling the ride, I can't lie. Bro, I would cut like crazy right now, but I need some hard shit. Give me a song. Oh no, not this one. Nah, not this one. Not this one either. Okay, maybe this one. Oh-ho-ho! Hello! fucking, what is that? What the fuck? Yo, I made a friend. Fucking Jerry the fucking grasshopper, mate. No, George the grasshopper. Where's this nigga go? How is he? You know what? I'll spare your life, bro. You can stay there, you can chill. Touch my sloth though, bro. It's an on-site thing, you get me? I hold on, little nigga. Alright, man, them. I'm gonna see you when we get to like closer to Brighton. I can't lie, man, them. We almost there, but we got caught in a thunderstorm, bro. I'm fucking wet, blood. Yo, I'm soaked. Oh man, the caddy here. Don't know which one that is, but nice. Very nice. It's beautiful. Look at the weather. Amazing. It was like we weren't. My hands are freezing. Ah, this is the good thing about, you know what, if you had the Ducati right now as well, you would be blessed. Them things run hot, be warm in no time. Rev. Sky. Bro, the beach. Okay, Okay, now we have to find a spot. Turning radius, turning radius, turning radius. What are you guys doing here?
Yo! How are you, man?
Huh? That's going in there, bro.
You guys just made it here.
Yeah. We're so wet.
Nasty rain, but it's not too bad, really.
Oh, you got caught in it as well?
Yeah, just poured down. Your ass wet? No, I was protected with my backpack. I had a backpack.
My shit's wet.
In my room right now. I need to go to something.
Huh?
And then you fucking made us come here. You should have held the umbrella for you.
What happened to your waterproof clothes?
Where's
It's not waterproof no more, bro.
Oh, aye, man, then we're here. We're here.
Under the photos, it's Cafe London Limited. Are you alright to like get together and smile or something like that?
I can't show my
We
face.
don't show our faces, that's the only thing.
Ah, okay.
We can wear the helmets and we'll smile. We'll still smile, but under the helmet.
Oh, alright, I'll leave it for now then.
Aye, mad Turner. I didn't know so many people came to this thing. Oh, look at all the plates on display. For fuck's sake. Alright, we're leaving, man. Should have been at the front. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. Bro, man, don't care that I'm on road 6s. still pig it around the corner, even when the road is wet. Alright man, oh, the clutch is crazy. First time on a litre R1. Let's see what this thing's saying. Obviously it's not a new thing, but nevertheless still, huh? Nah, nevertheless still an R1. It's not that quick, I can't lie to you. The torque is like, you don't feel much different in the torque, but probably the higher you go up in speed, the more you will feel it pull in it. Yeah bro, his second gear is fucked. It's nothing crazy. You know what, I'm a bit disappointed, but honestly it's pretty chill. Like actually though. It's honestly not that quick, bro. I can't lie. Like in terms of torque, like obviously when I'm switching up through the gears and maybe like his speedo's fucked, I don't even know how fast I'm going, but it just continues to pull. That's the only difference I'm feeling. It just continues to pull. Other than that, like from 0 to 60 it's the same. Well, first time on an R1. You know what, I won't say it's not fun. It is definitely fun, but when am I ever gonna need this much power? That was a loud bang. Oh shit! Oh, that was quick. Bro, I'd love to be able to do wheelies in 5th and 4th, bro. Be wheeling this whole fucking road.